Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have a beautiful day. We got quite cloudy day. Tomorrow we're supposed to have some rain. And I want to do a lot of cleanups in the yard too, but I feel so lazy because it's quite cold today. You can see I got two layers, I got two jumpers. And I got very thick jacket on and still feel a little bit cold. I think maybe just 7 or 8 degrees Celsius at the moment. Anyway, I want to film the video outside today because I feel better to be in outside and have some fresh air. So I want to, let me show you. You can see the roses behind me, still blooming gorgeous. This is called Winx rose. I did a rose review video for you last year. I mean just only a few months ago, and I love the white ivory color of the rose bloom. Let me show you. Look at this, so pretty. Look at that. It have a light scent, not that strong. Look at this. So the reason is why I didn't put this rose or this variety into the top of the how to say, to add to the list of my best rose performance in 2024, because I do see it have a black spot sometimes, not all the time though. So that's why I didn't put it in there, but I still love the rose. To compare a lot of other varieties that I got, I love it. And at this time of year, still blooming gorgeous. Look at it, a lot of blooms behind me here, but a lot of yellowing leaf and black spots at the moment because we are in the winter now. So the video today, I want to talk about some variety of the roses that did the worst between 2024 or 23 and 24, because the year they kind of overlapped. All right, let's jump in. The first one, in here, I could say that they own. I mean, each rose they got a feature that I don't like, and some I like. So anyway, I just general speaking for the varieties that I'm going to talk today. Okay, first one is called Bridal Surprise. So this variety, I think it new in Australia last year, and after that I got it. I got them from Night Roses. So I bought 2 bushes, and both of them did not do well. Even the bush is super healthy, I have to say, but the color didn't come out with the light pink color that I would like. And when they fade, the color turned out quite ugly and looked like dirty all the time. Even though I trade for the scent, for like the beauty of the bloom and the health of the rose, and good for cut flower. But at the end, I can't really have none of that, except the health. But I really want to have a beautiful light pink color, great for cut flower. But most of the time, the color didn't turn out like the one I expected. Like when I look on the internet or on their website, and I got the gorgeous pink, but none of that. But anyway, I still keep those bushes for another year to see if they're gonna change or not. Otherwise, I'm gonna say goodbye to them. Yeah. Anyway, so next one I want to talk with you is called Delightful Parfuma. So this variety, I got 3 bushes I bought from Turner Roses, I think 3 years ago. I did a rose review video for you last year, and I did mention to you several times during those growing season as well. Now, I love the kind of quite deep pink color, I have to say, deep pink color, full of petals, love the scent, but they only come out with the perfect blooms when we got the cool and no rain temperature or weather. So whenever we got the rain, the blooms just will go to bone so quick. And then example, they don't repeat blooming like fast like some other David Austin roses. They do repeat blooming quite well too. But after you wait for a while expecting like, okay, I'm gonna have a great show, But at the end, you got few days of rains, or even 1 or 2 nights of rains, and then the whole flash could be gone. But whenever you got the perfect weather or temperature, they are gorgeous. I can do the picture on the screen, and even the bush is very very healthy and so vigorous. But I still put it in this list. And the next one is called Pink Illusion, and the same fate like the Delightful Parfuma. They just go to bone so quick, but sometimes I do got gorgeous bloom. They still in the garden, still keeping them. But anyway, I might dig them out in the future. My friends always encourage me to dig them out, put something else in there. But anyway, I just do, I still love them when the blooms come out perfectly. But except the bridal surprise, that when they even come out, not even the perfect blooms. So that's the thing. All right, so Pink Illusion, very healthy rose, very vigorous, just go to bone so quick. It got medium scent, and I love the bio color, or they got their color like white and pink swirling together, lots of petals. It's just beautiful. Yeah, anyway, I keeping them at the moment but we'll see if I can dig them out in the future or not. So anyway, that's the variety in the list as well. So that's the third variety. The next one is called Radio Times. This variety I bought from what is it? Where did I bought it? From Wagner Rose, Bare Rooted last year, and I got beautiful flower in the early spring. At that time, the humidity haven't attacked yet, and we got very cool temperature as well. I love it, and it grew so well. After that, I decided to put in the large container. But the rest of the season, it just wasn't doing great, because we got rain, we got humidity, and we got sun as well, and it just didn't like it. This variety, it have black spots, powdering mildew, and what else does it have? I think that's it. Black spot, powdering mildew. It does got sunburn a little bit, like in the hot afternoon sun though. Yeah, anyway, so that's the fourth variety. The next one I want to mention to you is Blue Moon. Now, Blue Moon I got I think bare rooted from Winx 2 years ago, and the last 2 years didn't do well either. It just, when you look on the internet, you always see the perfect blooms, with the very romantic light purplish color. And it's when they come to my garden, it just always have a black spot, powdering mildew, and the blooms should go to bone so quick when we got the wet weather. So anyway, out of my garden, I did offer that bush to my neighbor though. Yeah, it is planted between my driveway and the neighbor's yard. I saw it all the time, but I think maybe when he just I get the rose to him, he haven't really watered it much, so I think it's chuckling so much. I'm not sure it's gonna survive or not, but anyway, Blue Moon, no, ever, no. I'm gonna recommend it to buy it. So the next one I want to talk about is the variety called Garden Angel. Garden Angel I bought from Night Roses as well. And this variety I bought I think 2 years ago at Bare Rooted, and it's got creamy and white in the center. Yeah, creamy ivory white in the center. But anyway, it got lovely scent too, but it's very prone to black spots in our area. And yeah, I just see some beautiful bloom time to time, but the black spot, I just can't stand it. I'm going to dig that for now. And the next one is called Curtain. The same fate. This one I bought from Night Roses as well. So this one, it got a creamy white color outside and kind of pink shade in the center. And this variety, as I mentioned, has the same fate. Black spots is horrible. And then the bush, Garden Angel and Curtain, they not vigorous. For me anyway, they're not vigorous at all. Alright, so how many varieties did I mention? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the number 8, I want to mention to you the variety called Charles Darwin's. I think I hope that I will put the name on the screen because I'm not sure about the pronunciation. So this variety I bought from Toronto Roses 3 years ago, and they just never perform like vigorously for me, and they still in the garden. But sometimes I got gorgeous blooms, but the bloom that go to bone very quick too when we got the rain. But also to compare 3 years old rosebush to other variety I got, this one's still so small, and I'm going to think to dig them up, put them in container, and to see how it does because. Sorry about that, because the area I got for them is quite awkward. They don't have much of sun, and they got a lot of root competition with the lilac tree and some other vigorous roses next to them. I think the roses they are called, what is it, Neonatofincy and dark design. They those variety they just go so big and tall and just shade a lot for the what is it for the Charles Darwin. So anyway, I'm talking to you about this variety now, but hopefully next year or next season it could do better. I still want to rescue them because I love the bloom, and the bloom just have gorgeous scent, light yellow color, and I love the forms and so many petals on on the blooms. Yeah, anyway, I want to give them one more chance because all of the trees bushes of the Charles Darwin, they still looking good. They just small, and they just I think so that they just haven't had much sun for them to perform 100%. So that's why I'm going to dig them up. And the next one is called the Madene Rose. So this is the red hybrid tea rose. I just mentioned to you, I think, few times. So I love the red blooms color, and they just have a gorgeous form. But the black spot is just so horrible in my area. So and 3 bushes that I got 3 years ago from Toronto Roses, they just not vigorous, and I think 2 of the bush maybe just have 1 or 2 stem on. So I'm thinking I'm gonna dig them out, and they are just so thorny. So so I think I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure I'm gonna show you in the video or not. And I think another rose is a red as well. It's called Father Love. Father Love got gorgeous form as well, gorgeous scent. I love the what is it, the formation of the petals. I love the bloom, no doubt about that. And this variety that go to bone in the rainbow, Father Love. But it's got quite bad black spot in our area. So I got 3 bushes and only 1 bush and looking like great or at great. I will show you. I will come back to the garden and show you. But the other 2 bushes, they just have a lot of lights back on, and yeah, I think I might remove the other 2 bushes of Father Love. I keep 1 and I replace them with some other variety or the vigorous varieties that I have growing in the container, and after a few years I do want to put them in the ground. Alright, let me show you the Father Love, how they are doing. Alright guys, so I'm in my front yard. The area over here is the garden, my daughter's garden bed. So I got 2 bushes of Father Love over here. See this one, I transplanted last winter. No, lots of dieback there. But mind you, I did move it several times, so it didn't like it, But this one doing much better. This one you can see I still have quite few canes on, so this is good. This one I'm keeping it. But the bush over here, let me show you. So both of 2 bushes I just show you before, they were in this area. But my nectarine now getting much bigger and bigger, so I just want to make some room. So that's why I moved them to my daughter's garden bed. But the bush over here, I still have like 1 of the cane already died there, you can see that, but I still have 3 cane left, so I might still keep this one. Maybe just remove 1 of the bush from my daughter's garden bed. Okay, so let me talk with you. This is the rose that I talked with you that I got from Night Roses. This one, Garden Angel. See that? And you can see a lot of black spot now, but during the summer or in the autumn, always have a black spot. Not a spot, but like this, but always have black spot and not bigger. Since I bought it, this is the main cane. Since I bought it, and it produced one tiny little cane on this side, and the cane died back there, but it never performed vigorously or produced much of the water shoot for me. And the same fate like the other rose over there, that is cardinal. After 2 years, still look not as great and always have a black spot. Let me show you. Because we are at the end of season now, I showing you, but during the growing season, still doing the same. So both of these, they're gonna go. And I will plant the healthy variety in this area because I got a lot of roses. They go in container after I experienced them the whole season last year, and maybe some other variety I got like growing 2 years ago as well. I can put them in this position so they can do much better. And let me come to show you the variety is called Delightful Park Fuma. It just go to bone so quick. You see the garden very messy. I might do a garden cleanup together with you very soon. So this one, let me show you. When they go to bone, they just look like this, look horrible. And sometimes the blooms is just so big, and then so many petals they can't really open. Even the bush is very healthy, but not now. But anyway, I still put it in the list. Alright, so I'm at the corner here next to the arbor. I want to come over here because I want to show you Chardar Winx. 3 bushes in the corner over there. They got kind of like crushed by other roses. And oh, let me show you. This early daffodil already blooming for a while. Look at this. This one have a lovely scent. But anyway, I got a lot of self-seeded poppy. You see a lot of debris. Need to clean up. But anyway, Chardar Winx, you can see one of the bush here. I got quite a few canons. See, one bush. Let me walk in this area. And here's the second bush. You see that? I do have a few canons, so not too bad. And the third bush is just there. Oh, look at this, that daffodil. It just grows so big. This is an old variety of daffodil. I don't know, they got lovely scent, but they just grow so big. Now a lot of modern daffodil, they just have less leaves and lots of plumes. That's what I want. Not the type of the daffodil. I might just dig them up. I'll give them away. Yeah, so 3 bushes of Chardar Winx over here. Got shaded a lot by Dark Design and Leonardo Vinci. Look at that. And I got lilac bush or tree next to that as well. Lilac is have very vigorous or very big root system. So that's why they're struggling so much. So I really want to give them a chance. And not far from the Chardar Winx, Dark Design, I got 3 bushes of pink illusion over here. You can see they grow so big and tall and vigorous. And some, let me see, some of the flying buds is still on here. I'm not sure they will open or not, or they can open or not, because we're going to have some rain tomorrow. Anyway, we are in the winter now, so you can see the flying, but they have more like red color, not as pink like in the spring or in the summer. But anyway, you can see they grow so big, so vigorous and very healthy still. Look at that. Oh, over here I still have some flying buds of the sister row. Not sure they can open or not. Oh, I might just cut them inside. But if I cut them and then the further cane, they might got damage, and then they damage further. But the cane quite long though, so I might just cut them. And then I left some room if they got dieback, and they will be fine. So that is for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful or informative. And after listening me talking about those varieties, you might have a better decision whether you're gonna order or buy this rose or not. But anyway, thank you again and see you next video. Bye bye.